Hey pupils! Today, we're going to learn some exciting action words. Do you know what action words are? They are the words that tell us what we do every day. From run, jump, eat, sleep, to play, read, and write, action words help us talk about all the fun activities in our daily life. Are you ready to explore these amazing words and improve your English vocabulary? Learning action words will make speaking and writing super easy and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you can learn something new and exciting every time we upload. Let's get started. Run, run. I can run fast. Jump underscore. Jump, I can jump high. Eat. Eat, I eat an apple. Sleep. Sleep, I sleep at night. Read. Read, I read a book. Write. Write, I write a letter. Sing. Sing, I sing a song. Dance. Dance, I dance happily. Draw. Draw, I draw a picture. Clap. Clap, I clap my hands. Play. Play, I play with my bat and ball. Go. Go, I go to school. Talk. Talk, I talk to my friend. Listen. Listen, I listen to music. Cook. Cook, I cook food. Jump. Jump rope, I jump rope. Swim. Swim, I swim in the pool. Ride. Ride, I ride my bike. Push. Push, I push the door. Pull. Pull, I pull the cart. Throw. Throw, I throw the ball. Catch. Catch, I catch the ball. Kick. Kick, I kick the ball. Hug. Hug, I hug my friend. Shake. Shake, I shake hands. Wash. Wash, I wash my hands. Clean. Clean, I clean my room. Open. Open, I open the book. Close. Close, I close the door.